get this guy out so badly. I could, what? I can check. What would he do in response? He would do that, and then I would, what? I got nothing. I got no follow-up to that. Okay, I'm gonna do this first, and I'm gonna be ready. I'm gonna be ready to do this trade so that I can castle. Foolish fool! You think you have pawn structure? I've got pawn structure for days. Boom. I trade that knight for 1 pawn, and I get a castle. I'm down 1 point value, but I'm up massively in position. Look at this position. His guys are all AFK. His whole team is AFK. He's got 1 pawn, or 2 pawns up 1 square. I feel like I'm just gonna take the castle. I have a nice move right here. Well, is that really a nice move? He's just gonna go here and then what? I'm like, oh shit, sorry, I go back, and then he goes there, and then what? Oh shit, sorry, I go, nah. I think I just castle here. I don't have any plan of attack. Oh! I do have a plan of attack. Okay, look, check this out. I go here. Why? Not because this is a good spot, but because I'm gonna get my queen here. And once my queen is here, it becomes a good spot to attack. Okay, we don't need to castle yet. Oh my god. Oh, okay, I thought I was just gonna get Jacob, but I realize now that it's protected. I realize now that it was protected by my bishop. I should have realized that before making the move, but thank goodness it was there. Thank goodness it was there. So now I can put my queen up here, and then I threaten this spot. And the only way he can possibly counter this is to move his pawn here, or his knight there, or put his bishop here, or castle, or attack somewhere else. So he's screwed. Or he can move his knight there. I'm still gonna do it. Wait, is there even a point in doing it? There might not be a point to do it now that he's got his knight here. I think it's up to castle. There's not much point to do it. I castle. My only available moves. No, that's not one. Bishop can't move either. I could get my rook in the game. I can still put my queen here just to pressure this knight. And I guess the guy behind it. Oh, this rook is hanging. Okay, I'm down. What can he do in response to this? Not much. I can take my time and castle. The only time I'm actually like concerned about castling is if he has a check when he comes to. Yeah, because this is happening all because I got the E pawn and D pawn. Oh, sorry. The E pawn and D pawn up early. I feel like it was like a blunder for him to let me have that. What's he gonna do now? If he doesn't do anything in particular, I can castle. Oh. Oh, his knight was unprotected. Wait, now his bishop's unprotected. Now I move my rook here. The cycle continues. The cycle continues. But before take the knight, I'm not taking the knight. What the fuck? Who said that? I'm not taking this knight yet. I think I want a castle. I can castle, I can put my rook here. I have my eye on this pawn. expecting it, but like not really. Because you know, the moment he takes this, I get a knight. It's like, oh, you know what? I think I'd be down for that trade because it checks him and I get to go do something else. I can't really take anything for free because his rook is guarded by the queen, and his rook is guarded by the bishop. But I get a knight, I get a trade, bishop for knight, and I get a free move. It's either castle, move my rook to b1, or attempt this trade. Wait, no, I'm not doing this. He's just gonna take it with this rook. Alright, screw that. I need to start playing a little bit faster. I only have 3.5 minutes left. At some point, castling is the right move. I still have this threat. Yes, putting my queen here was an outstanding move. This queen accomplishes so much value. She's my mid laner. Okay. Now I can take this. Yeah. Now I take. He takes. I take. Check. And then I feel like there's something I can do here. I'm not sure exactly what it is. It depends on where he moves. Yeah, come on, take it. Do it. You don't have any other move. What did you do? Took a pawn? Oh, you know what? That's actually a good move. Well, wait, hang on. I don't know if it's necessarily a good move. I just have to change my plans. If I move my queen here, my bishop here, it'll check him. He can take it in response, and I can just do that. No. My queen's in double dog danger. It's not just danger, it's double dog danger. Because my queen is in danger from 2 spots. I have to move it. Yeah, I'm in double dog danger. I think I just move her. I'm just gonna move her here. I'm running out of time. I have to play a lot faster. I can't believe it. I got double dog dangered on my queen. Like, I've seen double dog dangering a king, but never on a king, never on a queen. Oh! Okay, never mind. Oh, I keep thinking my knight is hanging. I forgot that my bishop is still. Woo! At some point I'm gonna castle. At some point. Okay, so I still have my eye on this. As long as I'm not in any other danger, this is effectively free. I'm pretty sure I'll take my rook. If I get the option right. My bishop is actually super useful here. I have a check at any moment. Time to think. I'm just taking it. Oh, fuck. Well, it's not entirely terrible. I get a free pawn. Go here, check, and then take. Well, I'm gonna lose this bishop. Oh man. feel like that's not a good move. Okay, now I'm not even that concerned. Take my bishop. I will happily trade. No, he's not gonna take it. Maybe I shouldn't have castled. I want him to take it. Maybe I should just like move the king up. That would be great. No time to think. I'm just gonna do it. I think this is the correct. Take it. Take it. I'll take as well. Then you'll take it, and that's totally fine because I will get the rook, and then I'll get your knight. Okay. Yeah. And then I take. Now take it with your queen. Okay, that was the correct move. That was the incorrect move. Timmy's finally gonna realize his dreams of being a rook. He's gonna give up his rook. What the fuck? Timmy's dreams, man. Timmy's dreams. Timmy will never become a rook. Wait, did you guys see that? Someone invited me with a poggers as a profile picture. Oh my god, I've been waiting to run into another Twitch. Oh, now it's whatchamacallit? Illuminati triangle. Wait, it's literally an emo. It's true, 1500 is the promised land of the poggers. Yeah, I hope everybody in 1500 Elo has a poggers. Okay, it said I made 2 blunders. Let me take a look. Ooh, we had an 80 accuracy. Oh, I'm putting my nectars as well. I guess it is wrong. It didn't feel that great. It wants me to push up instead. I can see pushing up being good. Really? This was a blunder? This was a blunder? Oh, because if I take this... Oh, it's because if I take this, and he takes my rook, I then move my knight over, it's check, and then I get a... Oh! This chess engine is very pogger. Okay, I see why that was a blunder. Okay, at least it wasn't as bad as that. Oh, sorry, no, that. It wasn't as bad as that. Yeah, for those of you who don't use chess.com, this bar on the left, it like predicts your win rate. Given the current circumstances, if you play perfectly, this is your win rate. So like it's like a battle for 50% at the beginning. Wait, what? Wait, what? The chess engine thinks I'm losing this? Wait, what? It thinks I'm losing this. Look at that bar. It says I have like a 5% chance. It thinks I have like a 5% chance to win this. I gifted him a rook? When did I gift him a rook? That? Wait, I was down? I felt like I was ahead the whole time. Wait. Wait, when did I lose pieces? Hang on. At this point in the game, how much am I down? I'm down 1 knight. When did I lose a knight? Oh, I traded a knight for 2 pawns earlier. I see, I see. Maybe trading knight for material is not good, or 2 pawns is not good. Hey Box, just FYI, on Lee Chess, anyone can set up customized games with queen odds, etc. and get the computer analysis. They also offer free tactic puzzles. Yeah, but chess.com gifted me 10 subs earlier. Actually 15 now. And I've said this many times. My loyalty is extremely cheap. Alright, they've gifted me 15 subs. Now, if LeeChess.com wants to give me 16 subs, I will move over to their website. Alright, I'm extremely vain. I'll take whatever I can get. Listen. If Animal Crossing is like, hey, we're adding a new ranked chess mode to Animal Crossing, can you play it on your Switch? And they give me 16 subs, I'll do it. Okay? If you are the owner of addictinggames.com and you're like, hey, here's 16 subs, can you play Extreme Chess Woman, where every single piece is just a girl in bikini and they're playing on a beach board? But it's ranked. I'll do it. Also, Hikaru is sponsored by chess.com. And as someone who feels extreme loyalty, I feel like Hikaru owns my body right now. I've been smacked by him so hard, my body just feels like he owns me. I am his property. Until I can beat him with queen odds, I feel like I'm his property. So he's sponsored by chess.com, I will use it as well. Alright, back to the chess. Listen guys, I am 10 something. I think I'm almost 1100. I'm 8 elo away. I'm 8 elo away. Hello, Chaka. If I win, I get 9 elo. Play the song. What? Hello, Loud Panda. Next to 2 months. He got scared. Hello, GM Hess. Alright, if I win this, I get 8. Let's do this! I need to see a sea of 11 omega lols as soon as I win this. Not right now, only if I win. Only if I win. You don't know how much I need this. My mom said she would buy me a new Xbox. But only if I win this specific game. Yes, a new Xbox. And I'm not talking just the regular Xbox. I'm talking the new one. The new one. The Xbox 360. You got this? Thank you, Botez Live. I don't know which one you are, but thank you. Having spoken to all 3 of you, I can say thank you. Regardless. Oh, it's Chiyu? Oh, you finished streaming. Oh, hang on. What's the point of that? I just do this? I have 0 holes in my defense. Zip. What? He's just like, oh, sorry. Sorry about that, sir. I'll be heading home now. Yeah, you're not gonna give me. Oh my God, guys, I have like a this. E-Pawn! E-Pawn, I'm sorry. Wait, Botez live. Oh, Chiyu tried to give me a Keck W. Oh, Chiyu. It's, Chiyu. I don't know how to pronounce your name, I'm sorry. I'm really bad pronouncing it. Hi, sweetie, the Keck W needs to be in all caps. It's okay, you're learning. You're learning and I appreciate that. It needs to be in all caps, not a lowercase Keck W. That would lose a lot of the meaning of the phrase. I can't believe I just gave up E-Pawn. God, I just spent so long trying to figure out the name. I can't believe I just gave up that pawn. Okay, I need to focus. Do not disturb me. I can't believe I just gave up that pawn. I can't believe I just gave up that pawn. Oh my God. Oh God. I need to get rid of this guy, but I don't know how. I don't know how. How do I get him out of my house? I figured it out. I didn't actually figure it out. God, what a huge wonder. The king. Use the king! Wait, that's a terrible idea. Oh my God, am I really gonna 1-2? I think I'm really gonna do that. I think I'm really gonna 1-2. I can't think of anything else to do here. Oh, it also threatens Das Bishop. Yeah! Yeah! He thinks I'm after the bishop. That's cute. Fool! Alright, begin the attack. Which knight's the sacrifice? I think this knight's more useful. Wait, no, I think this knight's more useful. This is like a super open square. Okay. You are the first sacrifice. God, the Knight Brothers. I feel so bad for them. Almost every single game there's sacrifices. The Bishop Sisters, they're hot. I need to keep them alive. The Rook Brothers, they're so goddamn annoying. They just stay together, protecting, and they're like snipers. You what? You just didn't fight it at all? You castle? Excuse me, I came here to fight a war. I came here to fight a war. Free night? What? Is that really a free night? How is that a free night? Am I blind? Okay. I can go in and then I can reveal a discovered attack. Or I can go here, which is like a great spot. There was a word for a knight that can't be attacked. I think it was outpost. Yeah, I set up an outpost right here. Or we go for blood. Moxbox, you're gonna lose your bishop. Oh no, I will start crying if he takes my free bishop as my knight brother gets it in with the queen. Yeah, if you want to go for that hot bishop on bishop action, it's not just two bishops. It's a white bishop and a black bishop. I know some people are specifically into that. If he wants that, sure, go for it. Foolish. Now if you take my knight, I take your rock. I don't care about one rook, I care about ruining the rook brothers. I specifically just want to get that first rook out of the way. I would give up one of my rooks. Okay, that's fine. Oh, wait. Is my guy in prison? Oh my god, there's nowhere he can go. Wait, nowhere is safe. Wait. I think this spot is safe. You gotta run, dude. You gotta run. Actually, you're very safe here. Oh my god. It's a night post. Outpost. It's an outpost. Okay, I need to castle. Yeah, I need to castle. Oh, no. Because I couldn't do it earlier. I couldn't reveal this lane. I couldn't clear this lane because my rook would just get taken. He would get eaten. Right? I imagine rooks as like these gigantic, absolutely swole, like gargantuans who will not hesitate to just eat stuff, right? When I see a rook on my pawn row, I'm like, oh my god, it's about to be a slaughter. I'm watching Star Wars Episode 3 all over again. But then, it's fine. It's fine here because now my queen can protect. Really? That's the best move? To this knight, I salute you. The only viable move left is to trade. Goodbye. It's still insanely good for me. Do I want to take this pawn or do I want to take that pawn? I want to take this one. Oh wait, I didn't want to take that one. I want to take this one. It's because my bishop can't go. He got eaten. I think that was actually the better choice because if I took this one, he could eat it and then check me in the same. Oh my god, she just ate that thing alive. Okay, what are the weaknesses? There aren't any because he's got a goddamn rook brothers. Can I get my bishop out? Castle. We can't castle. This queen is in the way. Okay. Here's a weakness. Oh my god, it's even weaker. Okay, so for sure he's looking at this square right here. So I don't want to move this guy because I'm looking to castle. Actually, honestly, at this point, I'm just going to castle the other way. Oh, wait. Or I can do this. I'd rather do this one. Because this lets me level up my rooks. Yeah. I'd rather... If I'm going to defend with my rook, I'd rather move a rook up than a rook to the side. I think it's higher value. What? What's he looking to do? I feel like moving my queen here is better value. Pressures this spot, pressures this pawn. But I really want to move my queen here. And attacking this knight isn't actually very useful. Still gonna do it. I still really want this play. Okay, I have 2 minutes left on the clock. I need to move my knight somewhere. I might move it here and be like, oh. If he wants to move his knight down and instantly die to my bishop, I am down. I need to move my knight somewhere. Not good. Not good. Oh wait, this might be good. This might be good. I could go in here and it'll like stop his attack, but I feel like my bishop's got it covered. This might be good actually. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go here. Hello. Oh hey, Elon. Long time no see. I haven't been able to go to a cafe in a while due to Corona. How's the Corona vacation? It's really boring. I haven't interacted with humans in like I'm on like 3 months of quarantine now. I haven't interacted with humans in like 7 months. It sucks. Oh. Huh. Wait. Oh, if only my pawn weren't here. I get a nice discovered attack with this. Come on, take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Please. 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 It's my birthday. It's my birthday in 1 month. Please take it. Please. Yes. No. Why'd you take it with that one? Oh, this is fine. Check. 4. Forked. It's the 3-way fork. This knight's getting so much action. Dude, all of my knights are goddamn action with superheroes today. The first one, like, he went in there on the spinally and then ended with a very valiant 1-for-1 sacrifice. Now this knight's just got a 3-way, 4-way with 2 rooks, the Rook brothers, and the queen. Sorry, 2 rooks as in the Rook brothers, not 2 rooks and then the Rook brothers. That would be 4 rooks. That's a lot. Oh my god, he now has to move the queen and then this knight is hanging. Oh, yes. The only problem is I have 48 seconds. Play that song that makes everyone go Monk and W. Clock, right pointer. What? What? want to give up that knight. What? Is it, hello? He's tilted? I can imagine. Okay, I have to make moves quick. I'm seriously running out of time. I don't have time to think about it very much. I'm up so much that I should be able to just close this out, right? He was so confident. He was like, oh yeah, I can't wait to do that. Okay, I'm sure there's checkmate somewhere. Oh my god, give me the flag. 20 seconds. Come on. Find checkmate. It can't be that hard. It can't be that hard. Wait, I didn't even have to do that. It's checkmate if I just go up here. I don't even need to do this. It doesn't matter. He can't stop it. Guys, it's fine. It's not gonna take me 17 seconds to make this move. It's not gonna take me 17. Okay. Go down, please. Oh god. I'm actually not sure how to checkmate this. Okay. Oh god. Okay. We did it! The big 11 omega lol, omega lol. We finally did it. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.